Hi, very good evening. So let's quickly get started with the demonstration of the new feature that we have added, which is essentially for two things. That is user's ability to select his preference as well as profile, and the other feature is where there is an introduction of a new feature called category, and that will be used for notification categorization, like security, infrastructure, and all these things. So let's quickly have a look at that. So Ash at the rate 143. So I'm logging in as administrator. And now as you can see that I'm gonna go show you the first part, which is categories. So we have added categories. Now these categories are essentially to segregate the type of notifications you want. So over here, as you can see, that I have two for security. Now I can view the notification, let's say mega block and terrorist attack. Now if I go back and I look at another one which is under HR, which is to do with uh, traffic jam. So you can create or assign the notifications under these categories. So let's quickly do that. So I'm coming over here and I'm picking up the traffic jam, rights, and then I'm just saying manage. Over there I'm defining the category under which it will be put across. So I will put it as security and I'll save it, and afterwards I come back here and I see the categories, and now you can see three. So now over here I can see the third one which I have added just now. Okay, now another aspect which you want to talk about it right now is the contacts to be assigned to a specific category so that we can send a notification to them. So over here I can either assign contacts or add them to the category notification, or you can remove them as and when you need it. So as an administrator I have the ability to add them or specify which user will belong to which category. So over here, let's say I pick up Sachin and Vicky and I assign them, and now they are assigned. Now as you will see that if I come and see it here, they are already assigned, so they will not show up here, they will show up in the list where I can actually remove them if I want. So over there you can see that these two users are added. So let's say if I want to remove user called Supriya, I just come here, I say remove, and then she's being removed from the list. So this is essentially showing us that we can have the notifications under a specific category. Notifications can run themselves the way we have shown it earlier. So there is no change in that, but this new introduction has happened. Now on the other hand, we have contacts. Now in the contacts we have, either we can pull them as tags or we can pull them based on their general tags. So over here we have introduced something what we call it as location tags, that will be based specifically on what kind of locations that have been pulled from Active Directory and the designation. So as you can see, these have been pulled over here, and we can also do a quick search based on the tags which we have. And obviously we can search the contacts directly also. So if let's say I want to search Wiki here, then I can straight away come and look at the user and its associated tags also and manage the user here also. So over here I can put the tags again, designation as well as the location is being added over here. Yeah, so let's say we add it over here. Now I'm going towards the user side, where the user has the ability to check or I would say what is their current profile as well as their current preference. So over here, as we do not have a password, a way of authenticating them, so we have implemented what we call it as second factor way of doing it, or one-time password way of doing it. So user can log in with their email ID which they will know. Yeah, so over here I will click a button, send one-time password, send OTP, and it is going to be sent to the user's registered mobile number which is with the system when we pulled it from the Active Directory. And now I have received a message, and which is my password. So the password, one-time password is okay, I will not share it. Anyways, one-time password, but you can just go ahead and use it and log in. And now I successfully log inside here. Now as you can see, we have two parts. One is going to be the profile and one is going to be preference. So in the profile, I am coming over here and I can see the general tags, my location, my designation, and in the preference as a user, I can change or I can find the place where I am interested to get the notifications from. and get the notification based on the designation also, and also for specific categories which are keen to me. And after that I'm going to save it, and now once I save it, the system stores it, and after storing it will be able to uh, send the notifications based on the user's preference. Yeah, so this was a very quick demo on how our system is being modified to cater for designations, locations, as well as specific categories from a user's profile perspective, which is given by the system, and also from the preference perspective, which the user can decide by themselves. Yeah, thank you so much.